Hello, let me show you how we can rename your squad on FIFA Ultimate FC24. So we have to go for the club, then we have to go for our squad, and when you are here you have to click the left free button, so it's basically your left stick, and then you've got these options. You have to go to the squad selector, and when you are here you have to click on the square to rename your squad. Click square to remove currently name and create the new one, then click options button to finish. And as you can see, use squad name. Okay, and that's the word. It looks like that was the bad word. Let's do this like that. And right now I successfully renamed my squad. And that's all for this video. Hope you like it.